Hello everybody, welcome. This is our Shumatt's live streaming. I'm Kathleen. Today we want to share with you one type of our control valve. This one. Let's take a look. Firstly, you will see our blue VCI anti-rust bag, and here this is the label. The first label is Shumatt logo and the product code F00VC01359, and also with the play cable injector numbers here, the QR code. By the way, we also support the customized service, the logo label, the packages, etc. We support that. That's the inside. The plastic bottles we use to avoid some damages during the transportation. That's the oil paper. This is the valve assembly. Actually, we're not only selling the whole valve assembly, we're also selling the separate one, such as the valve cap and the valve rod. If you look carefully, you'll find in this part there has some coating figures on here. And for our product, we supply 6 months warranty time. In this period, you can return or exchange it if you are not satisfied with the quality. Here, 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. The third tip is if you want to clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water, okay? So much for this one. At last, thank you for watching. See you next time. My next video will be more exciting. Please follow us and feel free to contact us. Bye-bye.